What about these? Robbie from Premier Lawns. Today we're going to be doing some aerating, some scarifying. These are just customers that we'll go to every year, so these are really just maintenance scarifying, so stick around. Before we begin, if I get you to smash that like button down below. If you have any questions, always leave me a comment. This lawn over here, we've been looking after this lawn for probably 8 or 9 years. This is just a maintenance scarify. We come every year this time of year, springtime, and we do the aerating and scarifying, and we do the treatments on it. So it just keeps the lawn in really good order. You really want to be scarifying and aerating your lawn once a year. Right guys, so I have my earmuffs on. I keep them up here so I don't lose them. I go for the Mickey Mouse look. A lot of people ask me about scarifiers and what's the best scarifier. I've had this scarifier pretty much since I started up, and it's been absolutely bulletproof. And it does look a little bit worn and tired, and we do change the blades every single year on it. It's really important to keep it running and it gets service and all that other jazz. The little Elite's done a fantastic job over the last few years. So there, Daniel's just putting the iron on now, and then we're actually going to come back to this one this afternoon and feed it, so stick around. All right guys, so just while Daniel's aerating this lawn, I'm going to tell you something that's coming up. I asked you a couple of weeks ago in the community chat, would you as well see a video on greens renovation of the golf course or lawn renovations? I'm going to be diving into aerating lawns in more detail in a couple of videos time. So we're going to show you how the guys at a top flight golf course aerate their own greens, and then we're going to look at those processes and see how we're going to apply them and how you guys can apply the stuff that they do on really good golf greens on your own lawn. So make sure you check out that video. All right guys, so that's us coming to the end of this one now. We're off to another garden shortly now. Just looking at my hair here, I have the full-on lockdown haircut. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really looking forward to get the barbers open and getting back to get my lock cut. All right guys, so we're just on the final garden now, so you'll see that in a second. So Daniel here's just going to empty the van. So just to show you a selection of this lawn here. So whenever I take the core sample out of the ground, just to have a look at it, you can see that there's a lot of thatch
and moss in this lawn, and it's going to need a really heavy scarification to try and pull out as much of that as we can.
As you can see, so we've done a double pass over. Did both passes nice and slow to try and take out as much as I can. We're going to clean this up. We may end up going over it again, so we'll see what that's like in a minute. Alright guys, so next week's video is going to be the golf course video where we're going to Beaver Park. It was voted best parkland course in Northern Ireland recently. Really good setup. Aaron's going to talk us through all the greens renovations and everything to do for the aeration coming into the spring. So why is that important? Because we're going to break those methods down in the following video. You're going to see how you can apply those tips and tricks to your own lawn. So make sure you smash that like button down there, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.